So, fam, now that we've entered 2024, only six EVs qualify for the $7,500 tax credit under the Inflation Reduction Act. And the IRS has shifted this tax credit to be a point of sale tax rebate. Come on, let's take a deep dive into this. Prior to 2024, buyers who wanted to avail themselves of the tax credit not only had to qualify income wise, married couples 300,000 a year AGI, single payers $150,000 limit, and you had to have a tax liability in order to get it. So if you didn't owe any taxes, you wouldn't get that $7,500 credit. The government isn't writing you a check for $7,500. But now, with the new rules adopted by the IRS, the tax credit is now a rebate right at the time you purchase your vehicle. And although the qualifications still apply, you, AGI, etc., you don't have to establish that immediately at the point of purchase. So if you're not sure if you're going to be under the cap, you can go ahead and apply through the dealer, and the dealer is the one that gets the rebate and actually passes it on to you at the point of sale. So they're the ones that are really applying for it. But all that said, for this year, you now get that $7,500. You don't have to have a tax liability. So that's a positive because you're guaranteed your $7,500 rebate. Now, here in the New York area, there's a $500 point of sale rebate. You don't have an income qualification for that, but it does have a cap on how much the vehicle costs. But I'm telling you about the $500 point of sale New York rebate because it comes immediately. And that's exactly how this IRS rebate will act. So, if you're here in a state like New York, that's $8,000 off of your vehicle at the point of sale. That is a win-win for you no matter how you look at it. There are restrictions that you'd have to go into to learn what vehicles would apply and what don't, but that's neither here nor there because the IRS literally has published a list of those vehicles. So I've given them to you. Now we start at the most affordable end, and that's Chevy's Bolt. Price wise, the next vehicle up is the Model 3, but it's the performance variant, followed by Tesla's Model Y, which is every variant in that model range. And the third Tesla in the group is the Model X. You're limited to the 5-seater variant, long range. You can get any color, but no other option. And next up is Ford's breakthrough F-150 Lightning. The F-150 is the #1 selling vehicle in the United States of America, and Ford decided to go ahead and electrify one. This car comes with a plethora of features, a front that can fit a body, the capability of keeping a house charged during a storm. The problem is not every variant is eligible for the $7,500 credit. Now the Pro series are very hard to find, and the XLT you can get an extended range battery. So for the Lariat, you're restricted to just how it comes, not even a tow hitch. Last on our list is Chrysler's Family Hauler, and the only hybrid on this list. But Chrysler is already promoting it on its website as far as leases go, pointing out that the lease company will take the $7,500 tax credit off, giving you a payment of $469 a month. Now, this family hauler has a 500-mile range. That brings this family hauler down to $43,000 with the instant rebate. And that brings us to America's most affordable EV. Chevy is already showing the $7,500 clean vehicle federal tax credit on its website, and that is making this even more affordable and half what Americans are paying for the average vehicle. The website is showing $27,000 for a base Bolt. That brings this cute little EV in the New York area right down to about $19,000 before taxes. That's used car price territory, $20,000. And this Chevy website in the New York area is showing over 213 vehicles available for sale, either on the lot or in transit. So that's a perfect opportunity to get a brand new car for around $20,000 given the taxed rebate. And then finally we come to Tesla, which has 3 models on the EV list, starting with the Model Y, with every variant qualifying for the $7,500 tax rebate. And according to the website, within a 200-mile radius of where I am here in New York, there are approximately 100, just a little bit shy of 100 Model Ys for sale, with prices starting at $47,000 and ranging up to $54,000. That's thousands of dollars off MSRP already. You are looking at a price point of $44,000 for a Model Y Performance, and as little as $38,000 for a brand new Model Y Long Range. A majority of these cars are in black, and there's a location here in New York where I saw about 60 of them available for sale. And if you guys are interested in any of these, please subscribe to the channel, hit me up in the comments, and I will give you a referral that will give you free self-driving for 3 months. And right now Tesla is charging $200 a month for that. But here we're looking at a magnificent deal already, because they've discounted these cars anywhere between $1,000 all the way up to $4,000. If you don't have the option of choosing from existing inventory, or you just want to pick your own color combinations and you like that white interior, you can go ahead and go straight to the website. And again, I can give you a referral code that will give you the discount on the free self-driving. But then you are looking at a price point, once that is in effect, for something as at the top of the range like the Model Y Performance in gray, you're looking at a total price point of, after taxes and everything, I'm not going to include the $3,600 credit that you get, that Tesla gives you for gas, but you're looking at $43,000, just shy of $44,000 for Model Y Performance at the point of sale. And for that, you're getting sports car, supercar performance, medium to large size SUV utility, all-wheel drive reliability, and the build quality has just gotten better and better. And when you go to the other end of the spectrum and you're looking at the rear wheel drive version, we are talking about, after taxes and all said and done, document fees, you're looking at approximately, tax out the door, you're looking at approximately $34,000. And that is what Chevy is asking for the EUV version of the Chevy Bolt. And in all honesty, coming from an owner of a Model Y, there is no comparison. So guys, once again, if you like this video, you know what button to press. And if you want to see more videos like this, or you want to take advantage of my referral code, or you just want to know more about Teslas and EVs, please subscribe. Until next time.